Why hello there! Today we look at premier Nomos Ahoi Neomatik 38 date Atlantic. Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. The Nomos remains a young watch brand, at least by the industry standard. Founded in Germany in 1990, literally 2 months after the fall of the Berlin Wall. Based in the famous German watchmaking region of glashutte, roughly between Dresden and Czech Prague, Nomos quickly developed its distinct design language, inspired by the Bauhaus. The new Ahoi in the Atlantic blue color is a clear example of restrained elegance on the foundation of efficiency and precision. Did we mention it comes from Germany? Anyway, it's the newest color in the refreshed Ahoi range. It's a different take on the go-anywhere, do-anything watch. Compact, slim, yet legible at a glance, even in the dark. It is less than 10 millimeters thin, and you can get it in the water no problem. It has a date complication with an interesting twist. A bidirectional quickset. It means you can either advance or backtrack the date. In most of the watches, the date wheel only goes forward, except maybe some zenith movements off the top of our heads. Oh, and don't let that 38 millimeters fool you. The lug-to-lug is more in line with a 40 millimeters diver. It would be a shame, though, to ding those nicely polished surfaces. So maybe it is better to wear it to a party next to a swimming pool, rather than to a payday's pub brawl. Is this even a thing in Germany? We are not sure. Let us know in the comments. Talking about beating, this is an in-house movement. Designed and built by Nomos and their manufacturer glashutte. It utilizes a Nomos swing system in the escapement. The new Atlantic brought an upgrade to the 6101 movement. It has now 42 rubies instead of 27 in the previous version to ensure longer service intervals and more efficient automatic winding. But just look at it. The level of finishing at this price point is nothing short of amazing. Wunderbar or something? With the introduction of the Atlantic, the new Ahoi 38 date is now available in 3 flavors. The 2 remaining are the light blue sky and champagne-like sand. One can look at those and enjoy hunting for the delicious details. That splash of orange on the small second. Those perfectly color-matched date wheels. The Bauhaus numerals, crisp, elegant, yet perfectly functional. You will probably need a magnifying glass to realize there's a teal outline to the yellow lume markers on the minute track. Even the crown guards. Without those, it would seem it is a dress watch. But with those, it sends a clear signal, I'm serious, don't even think of me as a pushover. And all of this for a reasonable price. Mind you, there are still Nomos watches available at 1,300 euros. Gee, at HHN, we would love to use that phrase more often. Vielen Dank, Nomos. That's it. Here the Autobahn ends. But there will be another ride coming soon. Don't miss it, because we will miss you.